Wildlife conservation officials have received a sad news. A villager informed the Wildlife Conservation Office that an elephant was roaming around the village, unwell. The villager explained that the elephant was unable to eat any of the food it took into its mouth and was roaming around the village aimlessly. So, once the officers got to know the incident, they rushed to the location along with the veterinary officials to save the life of the elephant. Hey there, our dear elephant lovers. Welcome back to our channel. We are so glad to meet you once again. It appears to require emergency medical attention to prevent an impending death. After evaluating the case, the officials sedated the elephant with the necessary amount of anesthetic drug to make the treatment process more convenient and safer. An official cleans the surroundings. He cuts off some of the trees and branches around the elephant, so the doctor and other officials can treat the huge elephant in pain more conveniently. Officers can start treating patients right away. It doesn't appear as simple as it seems. The elephant's condition was associated with severe pain. It was clear that the huge animal was suffering from a painful experience. Its slow movements and lifeless gaze suggested both physical and possibly psychological weariness. Officials, however, are unwilling to give up. Yet, the officials were patient enough to take care of the poor creature. The elephant's mouth was badly wounded. This is a constant threat to elephants roaming through the settlements. Although villagers frequently adopt this strategy to protect their crops from roaming elephants at night, it is extremely brutal conduct. This causes serious damage to the elephant's jaw, and some elephants die as a result of their inability to eat. The explosives, known as jaw exploders locally, are intended to kill small animals such as wild boar, which are used for bushmeat. However, the bait also attracts much larger elephants, resulting in serious injury. When an animal bites into the bait, the gunpowder explodes and destroys the jaws, teeth, tongue, and other soft tissues in the mouth and throat. Severe bleeding and infection pose significant threats to animals that do not die quickly. Such infections can spread from the mouth to the esophagus and other organs, causing slow and painful deaths. Luckily, when elephants are in poor health, some kind villagers take every step to save them with tremendous compassion. The officials, understanding the elephant's wound was severe, tied its legs for ease of treatment. Normally, officials treat elephants from the back, but in this situation, it is required to step forward to treat the wound in the mouth. After checking the mouth deeply, officers placed their hands in its mouth and began cleaning. The eyes of the elephant are covered to prevent it from being aggressive while being treated. A thorough examination confirmed that, while the jaw had not received any severe structural injuries, there were signs of minor damage. Here, the wound is initially disinfected with a saline solution. Metrogel is then applied to the mouth. This could help the wounds heal more quickly. Meanwhile, other officials are administering medications to the elephant. These include antibiotics, painkillers, and multivitamins. These medications and the dosage of the medications are decided by the veterinary doctor according to the body weight and the health condition of the creature. These treatments will be sufficient for the elephant's full recovery. This wound will be cured in a few days. In-depth investigations are being conducted to identify the criminals liable for harming such priceless lives. As the treatment process has come to an end, the revival drug is administered through the ear vein. The elephant is released to the forest, but will be monitored by a ranger officer. That is the end of this mission, to save the life of a valuable being. Thank you for hanging on till the end. Make sure you write your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video with your friends. Give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let's meet again with our next mission.